Hi guys, it's Leslie here. Happy Wednesday. Today I just wanted to show you a simple summer routine that you can do. Just with the hot weather, you want something that's quick and easy. And I just got some new colors yesterday that I am excited to try. So what I wanted to do today is show you using the Cayman Bronzer and then just using an illuminator and just some lip and cheek color, how that can just brighten everything up. Simple, quick, and then you can just take it with you if you're going to the beach, freshen up, whatever you need to do. So I'm gonna use Cayman because that's the new one I just got, so I'm so excited to try that. And I'm gonna use the big Buffy brush. And just make sure it's ready. And this brush and the Bella Bronzer is available now, and that is a great deal to get them together. So think about that. I love Bella Bronzer, so I'm going to be doing another video talking about Bella Bronzer and using that. So, but today we're going to be using Cayman. So I'm just going to be putting some on the brush. And you just apply it where the sun would hit your face, so you hit your cheeks. Oh, I love this color. It's just a subtle but yet beautiful color. Oh boy, this is gonna be used a lot. I can tell, I love it. I did do my eyebrows and my mascara, and I did use my highlighter today. Now I know in the summer months, maybe you don't even want to do that. So you could just use your bronzer first. And what's great about our bronzers is that they're buildable because they're cream. And a little bit on the nose, see where the sun would hit it. And I have to do my neck because, as you can see, it's red and I don't know, it's just a mess, but we're gonna apply. Oh, I love how look at the glow you get with just that. It is gorgeous. Now we're gonna do some illuminator just to kind of give it some pop. Now you can use, apply it with your fingers too, so don't. I'm just using this. And I'm using rose gold today. I like to bring it around. Let's see. Look at that. Look at that. And the difference, just that pop of color. I'm gonna put some below the eyebrows. I mean, it really, see, let's use our fingertips. Just gives you that beautiful glow. And you do a little bit on your nose. Cupid's bow. I usually do a lot. And I saw a fellow friend and makeup mascara artist say, you can use this too on your, here, on the bones here. And that I think is beautiful, if you're going out at night and you just got a little bit of that glistening. So I thought that was a great trick. So thank you, Lindsay, for that. I think that is beautiful. So now we can just add a little pop of color if you want. And one of my all-time favorites, since I've been using this, has been Desert Sunset. It's just gorgeous. And it goes with every skin tone too. So it's a win-win for me. So you smile, put it on the cheeks, apple of your cheeks, and you just bring it up. See? Just gives you a little bit of extra. Now let's put a little bit Astoria on the lips. If I can find Astoria, let's see if I got it in here. This is when my old age shows and I need my glasses, but hey, what are you gonna do about it? Okay, so we're gonna put some, just a little bit on our lips. Again, I'm using Astoria. Not a lot, but you know, enough to blend it in. And I'm gonna use Cindy. Get some pop of color on top of it. Cindy right there, beautiful. And if we want, we can just add a little bit of Desert Sunstorm in the middle. Desert Sunstorm, Desert Sunset, sorry. Just to give it that shimmer. Oh, I love it, I love it. Now, if you wanted to, we could use a little Cayman to line the eyes a little bit if you wanted to. I'm gonna try that only because I feel like my eyes just need a little something sometimes. So let's try that. I'm going to do the Cayman using my eyeshadow everything brush. And we're just going to go along the bottom. Let's do a little bit, just a light layer on the eyes. Make sure they're connected. Look at that. Do the other. I'm in love with Cayman. I'm just gonna say that right now, and you'll be seeing me using this a lot in the summer. I think it's a natural, beautiful color bronzer, and I think everyone should go get it. This is amazing. I am like over the moon, ecstatic that I finally got it. I don't know why it took me as long, but so let's just do some dabbing with the Perfector sponge just to great. So there you go. I think that is a great simple summer look using our Cayman Bronzer, our Rose Gold Illuminator, and then I used our Cindy for the lips, and then on the cheeks I used Desert Sunset. Got it right this time. And then I also just put a little dusting of the Cayman on my eyes just to give it a little pop and everything. And you know what? That took no time, and it's beautiful and it's buildable. So, you know, if you, at the nighttime, you can just add to it if you want. We could add, you know, a bolder color. I know I got Royal, I think the other day. You could add that to your lips and cheeks, and then maybe, you know, a little darker color on the sides of your eyeshadow, and really, you know, bring it to life. And that's what's great about this makeup. Like I said, all those in here, and you're good to go. You can throw this in your beach bag and you're done. That's all you need. And that's what's great, because everything is custom just for you in your colors. And if you want to switch it out, the magnetic tin, you just take it out and you put in another color. It's a win-win, and you know, the pricing is amazing too. Cayman is $16 The illuminators are about 14. Lip and cheek is about 14. Eyeshadows are 12 to 14. You know, these are incredible prices for this that last months and months. And they're so versatile that you can use it so many different ways. You know, I used some of the contour on my lips as a base. I used it in my eyebrows today. Astoria is my color. I love it. And I used it on my contour too. I really think it defines the face. So I think it's just amazing. So if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. I'd be happy to help you. And if you would, please like this video and subscribe. I would love that. This makeup has changed, you know, how I view applying makeup. It just glides on my skin. For my mature skin, I'm 51, almost 51 and a half soon. And it doesn't sink into your skin. It doesn't go into your creases, the wrinkles, fine lines and stuff. It just glides right on. So it's smooth, it's beautiful, and long lasting. So this is gonna look like this, the same later on today, and I think that's a win-win. So if you'd like to get a free color match, please let me know, and I would love to help you out in any way. Thanks. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.